I know this video is dark. I'm trying not to reveal my location. I got people trying to figure out where I am, so for the sake of being kind of patient with everybody and not let them get themselves into a bind, I'm not reveal my location. Anyway, I'm gonna try not to dig deep here and just look for surface finds, but I'm gonna do a little dig. Light's not real good this morning. It's still about 5:30. I got a good 70s or 80s though. And I thought I had it out with the plug, but I don't. Got my pin pointer back. Actually, they just sent me a new one. I guess the old one was done. I'm not going to dig a lot of holes out here this morning because I don't have a lot of time. But I want to see what this is. That's something else. Alright, turn the camera off, dig a little bit. Let's see here. The thing I said that was something else is actually what I'm looking for. I got it out of the hole, so it's in this pile. My pinpointing capabilities are lacking this morning. Piece of nothingness. That's fine. Let's see, there's a little more light. It's probably about 6:45 now. I got a strong 60 signal here. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's an old military buckle of some sort. That's pretty cool, huh? A little slide buckle type thing. Oh yeah, it's got the old little teeth in it. It was a 62. Solid, no jumping, no beeping, no nothing. Low tone. Find another. Alright, here we go, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. 47. So what is it? Is it a nickel? Is it a gold ring? What is it? Is it in there? Yeah, it's not big, that's for sure. Or is it a pull tab? It's in here. It's kind of tough to keep your clumps together when you. Oh man, it's neither one. Yeah, it's more like it's a piece of a pull tab. Alright. Started to go ahead and dig it, but I think I'll wait and let y'all look. 76 to 82. AT gold. So let's give. So it's a coin. Pretty sure of myself, huh? Let's see. Out of the hole. If it's in the hole. Ooh, it's in the pile. The pile of love. Let's see. Put all the flavor back in the hole. Man. There it is. No, it's not. There it is. No, it's not. There it is. No, it's not. Where is it? There it is. It's a penny. Change of hands. Hold on. It is a penny. Pennies are strange. That is a modern, somewhat kind of modern. I think, yeah, it is. Alright, I've had pennies range from the 60s to the 90s, so if someone tells you they're more precise on a number, they're mistaken. Alright, that's a bummer. Thought it was something. Alright, next hole. '81, excuse me, '81, '82. A little bit deeper. I've already dug around it, obviously. So, good. So it's right there on the top, somewhere, in this pile of dirt. I'm trying to get these clumps back in the ground neatly. There it is. Do you see that? Oops. That is a dime. Man, it looks like a mercury dime. Hold the camera. She's not shiny. She's just like she's got George Lucas on here. I mean George Washington. It's not a mercury dime. It's just not shiny. None of the mercury dimes come out of the ground shiny. Oh my goodness. Nah, it's not. Hang on, let me clean it up. Wait right there. Alright, I got a little too excited. It's modern. Why is it not focusing? It kind of caught me off guard. I got excited. Go ahead and comment and tell me that silver things come out of the ground with silver looking. Alright, it's low tone 60s. It's a leaf. Same stuff earlier. Piece of aluminum. Alright, I got several of these signals in the past before and went ahead and started digging them, but I see what it is. Look at that. It is a tent stake. See how big it is? For a big tent. I'm not going to dig that out. I'm going to leave it right there. It's a pretty one though. It's red and white. It's going to stay right there. See? Watch it. Told you. I replanted it. Alright, this is a solid low tone 50 to 56. I'll get my pull tab range. Sorry, I got a little upside down cold this morning. Piece of aluminum. So it's pull tab range. This is a solid 52. Let's see where it is. It's a rock. Probably another piece of there it is. Dang it. This stuff's all over this yard. I'm trying to pinpoint it myself, so. It's 80s to 90s. And I lost it trying to hold it in. Alright, I found it again with my pinpointer. It's not real deep, so my guess is it's not real old. I'm guessing it's a lawnmower drop. Oh, there it is, right there in my Chevelle. Look at that. Can you see that? That's just fancy footwork. People. That's a case quarter. Hey, big man, let me hold $1. Alright, let me see. good as it gets. It's a dirty quarter. 80 to 92 is what it was ringing up. I'll clean it up later and we'll see what the date is. Huh, pretty cool. Check my hole for something. Here's the buckle a little more in detail. I kind of want to find out if you might know anything about it, if anybody might. I don't know if you can see. Let me look for it again. There's a patent date on here, right in there, and if I'm not mistaken, it says January something. But I just want to show you, for those who might be interested, you know, the detail of this thing. I know the military had tons of different ones. We had several different types in the Navy too, but it's 7 teeth. It's, you know, standard old simple design. I broke that piece off. Say what you want. I did it on purpose. I'm just kidding. I didn't. But anyway, I can't find one like it online. Now there's a ton of them that are similar. Maybe the patent date's in there. I don't think so though. I'd like you to be able to see the patent date. It may not be possible with this little camera. That's right. If you turn it at the right angle, you can catch a glimpse. You see it yet? You see it yet? Hold on. Okay, I'll do the camera. Hold on. I made a different angle here. I've done a magnifying glass and everything I can to get a patent date. And I don't see it. It ends in a... oh, maybe it's upside down. Anyway, that's it. If you got any ideas, but I mean, you got to look at the detail to really determine if you got looking at the same one I'm looking at. It's got a little hump on the right here. It's got a little drop right there, you know, and all that. Anyway, I think it's interesting. If you don't, back up, pretend like you never saw this.